I am super excited about today's video because I'm doing a sponsor video on the brand Rose Forever. As you guys know, it's rare for me to do a sponsor video, but this was an offer that I could not refuse. And Rose Forever is a company based in New York. They were born in 2019, making luxurious rose boxes of 100% natural fresh roses, including roses from Ecuador, known for being one of the best quality in the world. And the best part is that they last an entire year. So you buy one and you can use it for the entire year. So if you are an entrepreneur like myself who needs to spruce up your office or home, I highly recommend getting these beautiful roses that are handcrafted by professional rose artisans. I want to show you the ones that I got sent for this sponsor video. So it comes in this beautiful black box. They have different options and I'm going to be showing you in a few seconds, but this is the one that I selected and it's just a beautiful, beautiful box. If you're interested in getting this one, this is the Passion Black Velvet with white flowers and it holds 16 roses and they're just absolutely beautiful. This video doesn't do any justice to it like they do in real person. As you can see, they're very, very elegant. You could put this on top of your desk. You could put it on top of your dining room table or pretty much anywhere that you want to decorate your home. They're just absolutely beautiful. So now that you have a little bit of a close-up of what you will receive, let me walk you through their website because they have so many different options to select from that I want to make sure that I show you all of the different options. All right, so here we are on their website. If you were to use my referral link, you do get $20 off. So I will leave that link right below this video. Just wanted to kind of walk you through their website. As you can see, they have a huge variations of different colors from baby blue to red to purple to yellow to pink. So they have a lot of different colors. It could definitely go with your aesthetic. They have this beautiful one here, intense black velvet, which are beautiful. They have yellow ones. When you're buying these also, you could buy like the one that I have, which is a square. You could pick round if you wanted to as well. And if you go up here to our collections, that's where you could kind of see all the different types that they have, from mini ones to domes, which are beautiful as well. Heart shape, marble. These are the ones that are from Ecuador that I mentioned a few minutes ago. Crystals, pink suede, and black velvet. Let's pick on this one right here, the crystal one, because I thought this one was really, really pretty. So this one has the flowers on the top, and then on the bottom it has like a little drawer. So you could definitely use it for your office space, or you could use it to put jewelry down there. This is a really great gift for someone that you love, or just a great gift for yourself. As you can see, they have all sorts of different colors, from black as well to orange. So you could definitely get any color that you want pretty much, and they are so, so beautiful. I think the best part for me, for someone that don't have enough plants, especially because I live in the cold weather, is that it lasts for an entire year, so I don't have to worry about them dying. And they look really, really beautiful. I've been happy so far with mine, so I highly recommend them. At least go ahead and check them out. These are some additional ones in heart shape. Keep in mind that you could go in here and just kind of scroll through all of the different collections and pick the one that best suits you, the one that you like the best. Lastly, all rose boxes covered in the material are of vegan suede and velvet, and the flowers are allergen free. So they deliver worldwide, and you can save, again, $20 today when you use my code, which I will leave in the text box description below. If you have any questions about them, let me know. And thank you so much for watching.